Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Please ignore what's going on with my nails. I've been testing out some products from a TEMU haul that I posted yesterday. I'll link it up here and in the description box if you'd like to watch that video. I've got loads of amazing products at really affordable prices. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Melody SUSIE mystery box. You can get this monthly, so you can either get it as a 1 month thing, a 3 month thing, a 6 months or 12 months. So you can do just like one off monthly box, or you can pay for the whole 12 months and receive one every month, so you get 12 boxes in total. In this mystery box you never know what you're going to get. It could include acrylic nail clippers, nail files, drill bits, sanding bands, gloves, tips, get like a holder for your nail drill bits. You can get brushes, liner brushes, dust remover brushes, you get rhinestones, glue, a dampening dish, you get cuticle oil, lint-free wipes, nail stands, etc. Like literally you could get anything in this box. For a 1 month payment with this box it will cost $49.99, and then if you do 3 months it'll work out at $46 a box. For 6 months it'll work out at $44 a month, and for 12 months it'll work out at $41 a month. They sound really good. They've got 5-star reviews on them, and I've got one here to show you today. It comes in a really cute little box. It says as soon as you open the box, open your new nail art journey. It looks really pretty. It looks like it's been packaged really well. So I'm just going to sit down for you today and show you what I've got in my monthly box. I have got a discount code for Melody SUSIE, which I'll pop down here, and it is in the description box of all of my videos. That will get you 12% off of your orders. But yeah, without any further waffling from myself, let's crack on. Let's have a look at this box. I love the pink frilliness. That's so cute. My camera's not working. Look how nice is that. It's so beautifully packaged, all pretty and pink. So I'm actually really happy about this because I nearly bought some more of these the other day, so I'm quite chuffed these have come. We have got some lint-free nail art wipes, 500 of them as well. Look at that, so many of them, and you can tell they are the proper lint-free ones as well. Look at them, they look really great. Yeah, I'm so chuffed these because I literally was going to buy some the other day. So glad I didn't buy any. You literally get so many of those. That saves good money. I think the whole point in this box really is mostly just kind of restock on the stuff that we all regularly use, and just like regularly keep us in stock of those little sort of niggly bits. But yeah, buzzing about those proper Melody SUSIE ones. They look awesome. We have got small sanding bands, which is handy. I've actually just recently done a review on one of the new Melody SUSIE nail art drills, so that's handy. I absolutely love the drill. I'll also pop the video link to that down in the description box if you'd like to watch that too. It's an absolutely incredible nail art drill. I really can't say a single bad word about it. I'm not getting my words out. God. I'm not getting my words out today, am I? But yeah, it's a really good nail art drill, so please go and watch that video. Like I said, it'll be down in my description box, and I'll pop it up here to just so you guys can watch that if you would like to. I'll show you what, I can actually see it's got the drill bit in there too. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's open it up. You can never do them cleanly, can you? Those break a bit weird. So yeah, you get your 100 sanding bands. They all look like they're the same grip, but they look like good grip ones. And then you also get a mandrel bit there. That's handy, isn't it? And it comes to a cute little storage case for it as well. Keep it all clean and protected. So you get that with the 100 sanding bands. That's alright. They do look like decent sanding bands as well. I can't see any of them peeling off like they quite often do. They look great. Next up we have got some 100 over 180 grit files. Again, buzzing. I actually really needed to get some new ones of these as well. So this box is working out really well because so far it's helped me out a great deal. Look at them, aren't they cute? I like that pink colour. Professional washable ones. So they look like decent sturdy ones as well. They're alright, they are. And yeah, I probably should do this, but yeah, they feel good, they do. I'm happy looking at them. You get 5 of those as well. But yeah, so I do. This looks really cool. This is a nail drill bit. This looks like a really pretty one as well. Look at that. Oh, I like this. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see that shift? That's got to be the prettiest nail drill bit I've ever seen in my life. That's gorgeous. Oh, it feels really good as well. That's really pretty. I've never seen a nail job a bit like that before. I have got some other, well, probably the closest I've got to that is that one. But that looks beautiful. I really like the look of that. That's so pretty. But that will fit into my nice Melody SUSIE nail art gel that I've got. I just love these little cases they come in as well. That's awesome. I'm well chuffed with that. And then here, looks like we've got a load of nail tips and another file. So yeah, we've got another one of those 100 over 180 grit files. And we've got some square, like proper square nail tips. They're really good size as well. I think that one would be good. That's probably go more there. Yeah, that one would go on there. And look at the length on those bad boys. They look really cool, they do. So we've got here, we've got 12, 24. So we've got 24 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 24 times 10. So we've got 240 nail art tips here. Nail art tips, just nail tips. All different sizes. They're really good length. We can cut those down as well. They look alright. I don't know if I have any like in that sort of length and shape either. They're just like the glue on ones. I feel like I'm going to have to do myself a really extravagant set of nails at some point. I've never had really long nails before, like this sort of length. But I'm keen to use them. They look really cool, they do. Really chuffed with those. Get those out 240, can't go wrong. Okay, so the last thing that we get in this monthly box is another acrylic nail clipper. I'm actually really chuffed about this because the last one I had, I got off AliExpress and it broke. It literally broke like really quickly after getting it. But this is one of those ones that comes with a little guide. So is it that way it goes on? I'm trying to think now. Let's take that one off for a minute. Is it that way it slides in? Does it slide in like that? Try to think how it slides in. Oh, it's got a nice springy bit of action to it. I'm trying to think where I'm going wrong here. Ah, I think maybe upside down. Yeah, there we go. It's just me being a donut. So you attach it like that, and then you can rotate to sort of whatever size you want. So like that. Let's put that one back on. There we go, I've attached it properly now. That was wobbling a bit there and I was wondering what's going on. It's me not attached it properly. So like, you do that for example, so you put it on the size you want. You'd obviously put your nail tip like there, and obviously your nail tip would be going through there. And it basically just means that you cut. I shall glue a nail tip to my finger and show you, bear with me. Right, okay, so that's the nail tips that they've sent. I also thought I'd show you those. Look how long they are. Got a lovely C curve on them as well, look. They look lovely. Right, so basically with these, obviously that's a little bit on the long length, isn't it? That's sort of the longest you go, but you sort of relax like that. Oopsie. It's because the nail tip's too long, but see how smooth that cut as well. You can literally just adjust. You rest your finger like that. Let's do it again on the higher. Like that. There you go. Chop. And it's just basically so it gives you a guide so you can chop the nail tips all down to sort of the same length. And that little... I'm good at knocking that off, aren't I? They are a little bit fiddly, these cutters. This one does feel better quality than the one I've got off AliExpress, so that broke literally like the first time I had to use it. But you line that up like I said, go like that, you rest your finger against it, you go snip, and the whole point of this bit is basically to catch the bits you chopped off so they don't go pinging everywhere. But that way it just kind of enables you to be able to cut more to length. It's just a really handy thing to have. It feels alright, it's not sticking at all. It feels right. It's cutting nice and clean, as you can see. Yeah, they're just really handy. I actually find them really, really handy. But yeah, I'm really chuffed to get one of those. So that is everything in this monthly box. I'm pretty happy with it all. So obviously we've got a nail tip cutter. We have got 6 files, 240 tips, 100 sanding bands, 500 lint-free wipes, and 2 drill sets. So it's a good little set of stuff. Like I said, it's kind of designed, I think, to just kind of top you up and keep you topped up with all those stuff that you just find yourself running out of quite often. But like these, they'll just last me ages anyway. But I'm really chuffed it's actually been like the perfect little box for me. Like I said, you don't really know what you're getting. It is a mystery box, and I love the element of surprise as well. I love a good mystery box. So I'm really made up of this. It's worked out well. It's actually, I happen to have got stuff I actually really needed as well. So I'm really happy with it. So like I said, if there's something you're interested in and you'd like to see a mystery box of Melody SUSIE, I'll leave a link in the description box for you to have a look. And if you use my discount code, that should get you 12% off as well. SammyJo12. There's a little bit of fun. You've got the element of mystery. It's fun. And you're just getting good quality items that it's just stuff that we all need. It's always good to have everything here. It's always really good to have a good stock of. And you can never have too many because you're always going to need them. So I'm absolutely made up, and I do truly believe it's worth the value. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description box for you anyway. But that is it for today's video. It's been a nice short and sweet one. Thank you so much to Melody SUSIE for sending this out to me, and thank you so much to each and every one of you that have watched this video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Go check out my TEMU order video I posted up yesterday, and also check out my Melody SUSIE nail art drill video that I put up the other day too. I'll leave them both linked in the description box. Other than that, again, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully catch you all in the next video. Much love, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.
Whoa, whoa.